Establish gender equality.
Gender equality. Gender equality.
Gender equality was one of my strengths.
Oh, nakauwi ka na pala. Yung kasi dun sa lababo, ikaw na magugas, total babae ka naman.
Ate, tulungan na kita.
When we share the load, we share respect. Helping at home is not about being a girl.
Or a boy.
It's about caring for each other. Simulan sa bahay, simulan sa'yo. Hashtag share the load.